for this video, we're going to have the example of application of first order of our differential equation. So we have our word problem here. Let me read the word problem. A certain radioactive substance has a half-life of 38 hours, and find out how long it will take for 90% of radioactive to be dissipated. So our given here is the half-life, which is equal to 38 hours. So we have our formula, which is ln, our 1/2 is equal to negative k of t. So the t is the time of half-life. Okay, so now we have to find the value of t. Alright, so the value of k pala rather. So ln of ln 1/2 is simply negative 0.693. Okay, and for negative k, and the value of t is 38 hours. 38. So kailangan natin i-multiply both side by 1 over negative 38 para makukuha natin yung value ng k. So, negative 38. So, the value of our k is 0.018. Okay, this is the value of our k. Now, ayon dito sa ating word problem, how long it will take for 90% of radioactive to be dissipated. So, at time t, gaano katagal mauubos yung 90% ng radioactive? So, 90% minus 100, 100 minus 90% is, ang maiiwan dapat is 10%. So, may naiwan tayo na 10%. So, ito yung magiging equivalent ng ating x. So, ito yung matitira. So, 10%. So, 10% is simply, ang equivalent ng 10% is 1 over 10. So, ito yung matitira. So, using our formula, the ln, so yung kanina is 1/2. So, ngayon, ay yung matitira is 1 over 10 na lang. So, 1 over 10. Kasi, ito yung natira at hinahanap natin how long it will take para maubos yung 90% ng ating radioactive. Okay, is equal to the value of our k is negative 0.018, and ang hinahanap natin is t. Now, we have to multiply both sides by 1 over negative 0.018 so that we can get our value of t. So, using our calculator, the value of t will be 127 hours. So, ito yung oras kung gaano katagal para maubos yung 90% ng radioactive. So, maubos, ma-dissipate. So, kailangan ng 127 hours to dissipate the 90% of the radioactive. So, this is our answer. Now, for the second example of the application for differential equation, we have the word problem here. So, let me read. If two substances combine in the ratio 1:2 by weight to form a third substance, and if it is observed that 10 minutes after 10 grams of the first substance and 20 grams of the second are mixed, the amount of product that has been formed is 5 grams. Now, find the expression for the amount of the product present at any time t, and how long will it be before 1/2 the final amount of the product is formed. So, we are given with the value of A, which is equal to 10 grams, the value of B, which is equal to 20 grams. Okay, so for the formula of this second order application of DE, we have dx over dt is equal to A minus x times A minus B k. So since the said problem has a concern for the chemical conversion, so we have to substitute the value of A and the value of B. So B dx. Alright, so dx over dt, the value of A is 10, and ano yung naidagdag ng 10 para magkaroon ng result product na x? Ilan yung nadagdag niya? So since we have the ratio of 1 of 2, therefore the first substance, which is 10 grams, ay nagdagdag ng 1 over 3 na grams doon sa ating product of C. And for the second substance, we have 20 grams, and ang nadagdag niya is 2 over 3x, okay, times k. So now the value of k is, so let's say this is k1, the value of k1 is equal to k of 2 over 9. So that is the value of k1. So with a little bit of manipulation, we can conclude that the answer for this dx over dt is equal to k of 30 minus x squared. So next is to separable. Okay, so using separable, we have now dx over 30 minus x is equal to k dt. Okay, now since we finish the separable, we now proceed to the integration part. So using integration, the integration of dx over 30 minus x squared is simply 1 over 30 minus x. Okay, and for the k dt, it was simply k of t. Alright, so since we have this equation, 1 over 30 minus x is equal to kt plus c. Now let's find the value of c. Now to have the value of c, we have the given. Our given is at time t is 0, the x will be 0. So using this, we have to substitute the value of this to our equation. So 1 over 30 and the minus x, since the value of x is 0, so simply 1 over 30. And for k, kt, since the value of t is 0, so times k, so 0. So we are left with c. So now the value of c is equal to 1 over 30. And next, we have to get the value of our k, given that at time t, which is equal to 10 minutes, and the value of our x is 5, we can have 1 over 30 minus 5, which is, this is the value of our x given the time t, given the time t is equal to 10, is equal to k, and the time is t, plus the value of c, which is 1 over 30. Next is to simplify the following to get the value of k. So, using a little bit of manipulation, the value of our k will be 1 over 1,500. Since 1 over 30 minus 5 is 1 over 25, transpose the 1 over 30. Okay, so 1 over 25 minus 1 over 30 is 150, is equal to k of k times 10. So divide both side, multiply both side by 1 over 10. So we have the value of k, which is equal to 1 over 1,500. So next is to get the value of our x, we have to substitute the following value to our equation right here. So 1 over 30 minus x is equal to, the value of our k is 1 over 1,500. So t over 1,500 plus the value of c, which is 1 over 30. Now to get the value of x, we have to multiply both sides by 1,500. So multiply both sides by 1,500. So we have 1,500 over 30 minus x is equal to 30 is equal to t plus 50, since 1,500 over 30 is 50. Okay, now next is to multiply both sides of our equation with 30 minus x over t plus 50. So we have 1,500 over t plus 50 is equal to 30 minus x. Alright. And for the final answer, the value of our x will be, transpose lang natin yung 30 to the left side of our equation. So we have negative since negative x, so we have to, since negative 30, so 30, transpose natin yung negative tsaka yung 30, so we have 30 minus 1,500 over t plus 50. Okay, so this will be the first answer for our first problem, which is to find the expression for the amount of the product present at any time t. So this will be the amount of the product. Okay, the expression for the amount of the product. So x is equal to 30 minus 1,500 over t plus 50. Now, let's going to find the value of t. Alright, for the value of t, we have for the value of our t, we have the x. So since our word problem say how long will it be before 1/2 the final amount of the product is formed. So the final product is 30 grams. So the half of that is 15. The half of that is 15. So x is equal to 15. So let's substitute the following. So 15 is equal to 30 minus 1,500 over t plus 50. Alright. So, times, before that, we have to transpose the 30. So, 15 minus 30, alright, is equal to 1,500, negative 1,500 over t plus 50. And we have to multiply both sides by 50 plus t. So multiply both sides by 50 plus t. So now we have a 15, negative 15, 50 plus t is equal to negative 1,500. So 1,500. So next is to distribute the negative 15. So we have negative 50, negative here, sorry, negative here, so negative. So this will become 750. Okay, 750 plus the value of this will become negative 15. Negative 15t is equal to 1,500. Right, 1,500. Next is to ibalik natin yung 750 sa kabila. So we have 1,500. So we have now 1,000 minus 1,500 minus 750 is equal to 750, right? Tama ba? So let's check our value for 1,500. 1,500 minus 750 is equal to 750. So negative 15t is equal to 750. So divide both sides by 15. So 15. So t is now equal to 750 to 15. 50 minutes. So therefore there will be 50 minutes long before 1/2 the final amount of the product is formed. So that's it. So this is for our amount, how long, this is for the time, and this is for the expression for the amount of the product. Okay, that's it. Thank you.